Hello all, good evening. I'm Reshma Prasad, Program Manager of TLUPS. So today I'm here to give you an orientation for AMC. So today we are starting our first problem solving seminar session of this academic year, that is for 2023-24. So we all know that AMC is an international math contest for the students who were in grade 12 and below. And for the AMC, there are 3 levels, AMC 8, 10 and 12. It is according to your grade. So AMC 8 is for the students who are in 8th grade and below. 10 is for 10th and 9th students. And for AMC 12 is for the students who are in 11th and 12th. For AMC 10 and 12, there will be 2 parts, that is A part and B part. And for AMC 8, there will be only one level, that is AMC 8. So why we have given this A part and B part is because the next level of AMC 10 and 12 is AIME, American Invitational Mathematics Examination. So some of the students will qualify for one part for the AIME and they will not qualify for the another part. Then we will be calculating only the cutoff marks as a AIME qualifier. So after the AIME, the next level is USMO. And USMO is only for the US citizen. Only US citizens can participate in it. But if any Indian citizens are qualifying for the USMO, then they will be receiving an appreciation letter from the MA. And today we have our new faculty, Mrs. Komal
Ghadi.
Yes, Komal ma'am, and she is a RMO faculty. She has 27 years plus teaching experiences, and also she has 15 years plus teaching experience in RMO teaching. She has mentored 1,000 plus students for Math Olympiad, and also she produces numerous RMO selections in Mumbai and across the nation. Komal ma'am, we are welcoming you to the problem solving seminar sessions of AMC. So now I am handovering the session to Komal ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome all students. First of all, I would like to know the level of the students. That's why I've chosen a topic which can be done with little common sense, because I really don't know about your previous knowledge. I hope this is AMC 10-12 class, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So students, you have to share feedback and help me to understand your level, especially about the previous knowledge. Is there anybody who doesn't know the definition of greatest integer function?
No, I'm unsure about it actually.
Sorry?
I am unsure about it. I don't know.
Acha, you are unsure. Okay. Okay, no problem. No problem. Feel free to discuss chat. Huh? Okay. Okay. So let me explain a little bit. Are there people who already know about GIF? Okay. So what I'll do is, I will give some problem. Huh? Please take screenshot those who already know about GIF, so you will not waste your time. Till then, I teach the theory. Okay, because we have very little time. Huh? Is this mode is okay for you? Huh? Okay. Huh? Okay. So please take screenshot those who already know about the subject. Please take screenshot of these 2 problems. Huh? Till then, I will just explain the theory. What do you mean by greatest integer function? See, suppose I have any real number, say x is equal to 3.2. The integral part of this is 3 and the remaining part is called the fractional part. Okay. So this is called the greatest integer function. Classical definition, we denote it like this or this. It is also known as a floor function, and it is defined as the largest integer less than or equal to x. Huh? Is this clearly visible, or should I increase the size of text? I hope it's visible. Huh? Okay. So largest integer less than or equal to x. So if my x lies between integers n and n plus 1, then I say greatest integer of x is nothing but n. Is this much clear to everybody? So here greatest integer of x is nothing but 3. Is that clear? Okay. Therefore, what you will get is, but here you have to be little careful while writing GIF of negative number. So if your x is minus 7.2, clearly minus 7.2 is less than minus 7 and it is greater than minus 8. So in this case, your greatest integer is nothing but minus 8. Correct? Is this much clear? Huh? Any doubt anybody till here? Okay. Now, so this part is integral part is called greatest integer function and the remaining part is called fractional part and it is denoted by this. This is called fractional part. Okay, followed? So how do we define fractional part? We define fractional part to be x minus the greatest integer. Okay, so when x is equal to 3.2, GIF of x is 3 and fractional part is 0.2. Okay, followed? But when x is negative, what happens? In this case, we have seen that greatest integer is 8. What will be the fractional part? Fractional part will become minus 7.2, that is x minus GIF of x. So minus of minus 8. So that will become 0.2. Correct? Followed? Because my minus 7.2 to minus 8, okay, this gap is the fractional part, right? So fractional part is this difference. So fractional part is always positive and fractional part always lie between 0 and 1. Okay, is this much clear to everybody? Any doubt till here? Any doubt till here? Okay, now. Okay, so this is the definition. Okay, now the properties of greatest integer function. Okay, is this visible to everybody or should I increase the font?
It's visible now.
It is. Now here, yeah, the fraction, GIF is equal to x if and only if x is integer. Okay, followed because GIF is an integer, so it correct. So if it is integer means the remaining difference is 0, so fractional is 0. Okay, then this we have already proved. Now next is my x. So usually I write, because this is very clumsy to write, the fractional plus GIF. I usually write n for GIF and f for fractional. But this is not international this thing. Okay, if you are using it for subjective exam, you will have to mention. But I'll be using this because it is easier. So clearly my x will lie between n and n plus 1. Is that clear to everybody? Third property, is it clear to everybody? Any doubt, anybody? Okay. So next would be I think I will not do all the properties. The properties which are important, I'll do only those properties. These are like I have listed down all the properties, but I'll do only important properties. Okay, followed. Rest you can go through and whatever you don't understand, we'll discuss next time. Okay. Yeah. Now, this is a very important property, Hermititing. Okay. That GIF of x plus 1 by n, GIF of x plus 2 by n, so on, GIF of x plus n minus 1 by n is nx. This is one good property. No, beta. Proofs are not required. Okay, not at all. We are not going to focus on proof. We are going to focus on problem solving strategies. Okay. Now, first strategy is always that if GF of x is n, then x must lie in this limit. Set the limits, and limits are very, very useful. If x is this, then fractional part lies between 0 and 1. Okay, that is very, very important. Yeah, syllabus, I will request Reshma ma'am to provide you detailed syllabus. Okay. Now here, yeah, now here, okay, now, sorry, yeah. Next strategy is use estimation, and many times GIF of root n is involved. Okay, that time again you can use that if n is k square plus c, you can use n lies between two consecutive perfect squares. Okay, followed? That is this. Okay, and use of graph is very, very useful. I hope you all know basic graphs of quadratic equation. Okay, followed? Okay, so I'll show you how to use graphs also. Now, when you get value of f, just check that it lies between 0 and 1. Okay. Now, this last condition you may use very rarely, but I'll explain this condition also later on. Few problems, if we can do, then we can do if time permits. Okay. Then now let us see further. This is one very, very easy problem. Okay, from warm up. Okay, and or let us take this for homework because it's very, very easy. Okay, and we'll go further. Let us do first problem here. Okay, how many non-negative integral values of x satisfy this equation? Yes, anybody? How to solve this? Here, I have to use the first property here. Okay, that if x is taking value n, then x lies between n and GIF of x is n, then n lies between x lies between n and n plus 1. So what I'll do, I will take x by 5 is equal to x by 7 is equal to some k, suppose. Okay, then what you will get? Somebody is writing on screen. Okay, yeah. See, x by 5 is equal to x by 7 is equal to k. Then what you will get, x by 5 lies between k means what? That means this lies between k and k plus 1, or x lies between 5k and 5k plus 5. Whereas x by 7 also will lie between k and k plus 1. So we get two equations to compare, and x will lie between these two limits. Okay, so I have two limits for x, right? I have two limits for x. Which one will be valid? What can you say? I have two limits for x. Which one will be valid? So, because 7k is greater, so I can conclude that x lies between 7k, and here the lower limit I'll have to take because this is less than 7k plus 7. Is this much clear to everybody? So that gives me the limit on k. So 7k is strictly less than 5k plus 5. So what are possible values for k? clearly 2k is less than 5. So k can take only possible values 0, 1, and 2. These are the only possible values for k. Okay. So now I literally need to substitute and check the values. Okay. So for k is equal to 0, both of these are 0. So what are possible values for x are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Because if I take x is equal to 5, this will increase. Correct? This will become 1. Okay. For k is equal to 1, now x has to be at least 7 because of this limit. Correct? Followed? Or you can substitute, simply use this limit. X has to be at least 7, and 7 and 8, 9, and this is 10. So only 3 values. Okay. And for k is equal to 2, the values will be x is equal to 14 is the only value. This is one way of counting it, or simply you can count it that it will be 5k minus 7k, that is 5 minus 2k. Okay. And over different values of k, you can add this. Okay, summation. Followed? Now, why I'm showing a generalized method? Because if they give the bigger numbers, then this generalized method will be helpful. Is this clear to everybody? Any doubt, anybody? Huh? Any doubt, anybody?
I don't exactly understand how you counted for k is 1 and k is 2.
Yeah, let me explain. Yeah, for k is equal to 1, just use these limits better. K is equal to 1, the lower limit is what? Lower limit is 7k, right?
Yes,
so minimum value will be 7.
Yes.
And then maximum value will be how much? Maximum value will be 10.
Yes, ma'am.
So 7, 8, 9.
All right, ma'am.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. Similarly for 2. Okay.
All right. Understood.
Okay.
Yes.
Now suppose I want to do it for this, then I can simply take summation over these. I can simply take summation over these values. Okay. Sorry. Suppose I want to solve for this particular value, then it will be sigma 5 minus 2k, and your k is going from whatever, here I'm getting these values, whatever k you are getting here, that k you substitute. So k going from 0 to whatever the limits you are getting. Okay. So this way you can calculate. Is this clear to everybody? Huh? Any doubt, anybody? Huh? Is this point clear, or should I explain in detail?
Ma'am, I need to understand again why you're using solution.
Sure. Yeah, definitely. See, exactly similar to this. Okay. Yeah, exactly similar to this. What limits I will get here? What limits I'll get here for this particular question?
K plus 1.
Yeah, 99k is less than equal to x is less than, 101k here, less than equal to x is less than 99k plus 99, right?
Yes.
So 2k is less than 99. So what are limits on k, beta? K will belong to 0, 1, 2 till 49, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Okay.
Yes.
Now, and yes, sorry, and it won't be 5 minus 2k. In this case, my number of values will be 99 minus 2k. Okay. So the number of values will be summation of 99 minus 2k.
Ma'am, I don't understand this point, ma'am. This one point.
Yeah. Because see, from 101 to 99k minus 99 values. Correct?
Yes.
So how many values? 99 minus 2k values, beta.
All right, ma'am. That's how many values are. Okay.
That many values. And you have to take summation over these. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So these will turn out to be odd numbers because I'm subtracting 2k every time. Okay, so when
Yes.
k is 0, will I'll get 99, k is 1, I'll get 97, and so on. And k is 49, I'll get 1. So this is sum of simply first 50 odd numbers, which should be 50 square, I guess. Right? Okay.
Right.
Any doubt, anybody? Any doubt, anybody? Okay. Follow? Now. Yeah. Now, let's go for the. Now, let's go for the. Yeah. Next question. Please let me know whether you find this question appropriate level or these are tougher level to you. Then I'll adjust the difficulty level accordingly. Yeah, okay. Because this is totally new class, so I have no idea about your level. Okay. Help me to understand your level better so I can help you. Yes. How many positive integers n satisfy this condition? What is given to me? N plus 1000 by 70 is root 10 GF of root 10. Okay. So first of all, what you have? First of all, you have root n is an integer, right? Correct. So this is nothing but this is an integer. Correct. Okay. So 70 must divide n plus 1000. Right. Okay. So what can I say? Which is a nearest multiple of 70 greater than 1000? That will be, I guess, 1050. 105 is divisible by 7. Okay. Followed. So what you will get is this. Yeah. So n should be 50. N should be 50 mod 70. I hope everybody know modular arithmetic.
Ma'am, I don't know this notation.
Okay. 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 See, beta. Okay. Or what you can do is, in that case, n by 70 plus. What will be the quotient here, beta?
100 by 7, basically.
Yeah, what is the quotient and what is the remainder? That's what I'm asking.
Okay.
Okay, that will be, I think, yes, 980, correct? 98 is divisible, so 14 and 20 upon 70, right? Correct? So what I better write it like this. N plus 20 by 70 plus 14. Okay, so this is an integer. So 70 must divide n plus 20, right, beta? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So n will be of a kind 70k plus 50, because when you add 70, it should be divisible. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So take n at 70k plus 50. Okay. And then now I'll substitute here. Okay. Then what you will get? You will get 70k plus 1050 divided by 70, which is nothing but k plus 15 is the GIF of root 10. Is this much clear to everybody? Any doubt, anybody? Now this is an integer. Recollect that GIF of x is equal to some k, then x must lie between k and k plus 1. We have to use this. Okay. So I will get here that k plus 15 is less than or equal to root 10 is less than k plus 16, the next integer. Okay. So you will get n lies between k plus 15 whole square and k plus 16 whole square, right? This much is clear to everybody. Now, but we know value of n in terms of k. So so we can substitute that. So we'll get k plus 15 square is less than or equal to 70k plus 50. This is my first equation. And second equation will be n, which is 70k plus 50 is strictly less than k plus 16 whole square. Okay? So we will get two quadratic equations, solve the quadratic equation, and then you can find the values of this. I think here 6 different values of k you will get. Is it okay if I don't solve the quadratic? You are capable of solving quadratic, I suppose. Okay. Anybody wants me to solve this, or anybody has any doubt here? Sorry. Pardon?
Miss, how do you know root?
Ma'am,
How do you know root n is an integer?
Yeah, I'm sorry, ma'am. Like, and I was logging in from US, taking a look at your class.
Sure.
Continue, ma'am.
Yeah, no problem.
Sorry about that.
No, that's okay. I don't know that root n is an integer, beta, but GIF of root n is an integer. Okay. Can you see that? GIF of root n is an integer, beta. Root n is not an integer, but GIF of anything is an integer. By definition, is that clear to you? Okay. Okay. Now, again, I'm asking whether, please unmute yourself and tell me whether this is appropriate level for you, because I was told to teach for MC 12. So I've picked up the problem of MC 10 and 12. Okay, because this is a problem solving session. So I was told that students must be knowing some of the basic concept, but if you don't know, I can boil down my level and make you more comfortable. But you have to help me in understanding your level. If this level is okay for you people, then I will continue with this level. Okay. Functions will come in MC 10. Yes, but I mean, this is not very hi-fi functions or definition, very major theory of functions won't come like a calculus. We'll just use f of x is equal to something, that's all. Okay, not major calculus is not there in AMC 10. Don't worry. Okay. Is this okay to you?
Yeah, ma'am.
Very.
Ma'am, but like these kind of problems are kind of common in AMC campaign.
Yes, these kind of problems are common. And you know, you will find these problems especially in 24-25. Okay, followed? Okay. So see, if please let me know in specific area if you want, okay, because we have very less time. So if you help me, what exactly is your need, I can do it tailor-made course. For all competitive exam, it should be tailor-made. Okay, that's what. So in specific area, if you want, then I'll take more problems on that area or something like that. Okay. So now next question is here. See, we have to solve these kind of problems. Suppose that x square minus 8x, sorry. Yeah. X square minus 8x, 8 of GIF of x plus 7 is 0. Now, here problem is these are two different variables. X and GIF of x are not having same values. So how to solve this? Here we use the fact that GIF of x must be strictly less than or equal to x. Correct? So negative of GIF of x must be greater than or equal to x. Correct? Okay. So I get that this must be greater than or equal to x square minus 8x plus 7, right? Correct? Because the rest of the terms I'm keeping as it is. I'm just replacing GIF of x by minus x, because I'm comfortable here. Always go to your own domain. Okay, that's the simplification thing. Okay, so this is greater than or equal to. Is this much clear to everybody? So I get that, but this side is 0, we know. So 0 is greater than or equal to, I can factorize this. X minus 7x minus 1. So what are possible values of x? X will lie between 1 and 7. Correct? Okay. Now, but what do you mean by x is a real number? So there are infinitely many values. So how will I shortlist this? I can't shortlist values of x, but I can shortlist values of GIF of x, right? What will be the possible values of GIF of x? They will be, if x lies between 1 and 7, clearly 1, 2, 3 up to 7, all these integers, right? So how do I find values of x? Using this equation. So x takes these values, then what will be values of x square? X square will take value 8 times GIF of x plus 7. So what values x will take? X will take values root of this. Correct? Sorry, I think it's minus 7, my bad. Okay, so x must take these values, and we know values of GIF of x. GIF of x is 1. Then here it will become under root 8 minus 7, which is equal to 1. So this works nicely. If I take this as 2, then it will become root 9, which is nothing but 3. Will this work? If x is 3, then will GIF be 2? This is not possible. See, here you will have to actually handpick and check these values, unfortunately, because all the values may not satisfy. Okay. Here 1 is satisfying. Okay. 3, then it will be what? It will be root 70. Again, this is greater than 4, so not possible. 4, then this will be root 25, which is 5, obviously not possible. 5, then this is root plus 8, no, 33. Yes. This GIF of, GIF of root 33 is equal to 5. Correct? Okay. So 5 is, sorry. So this is a solution. Root 33 is a solution. Okay. Root 33 is a solution. And 6, then it will be this plus 8, which is root 41. Yes. GIF of root 41 is 6. So this is also a solution. Followed. And 7 will give root 49, which is 7, which is also a solution. So
why did you reject 3, 4, and 5?
If you take x is equal to 2, okay, yes. GIF of x is 2, and substitute here, then yes, beta you will get it as root 9, x value is 3. But yes, if x is 3, GIF should have been 3, right?
Yes.
Okay, same problem occurs here. Okay, if you take x values, the GIF values and x value don't match.
All right, understood.
Understood? Huh?
Yes.
This you have to check. So what are possible values of x here? 1, then root 33, then root 41, and root 49, which is 7. I need not write root 49. I can simply write 7. Okay, is this clear? Huh? Is this clear to everybody? Any doubt, anybody? Huh? Any doubt, anybody? May I go to next question? Huh? No. No. Huh. This is AIME question, one of my favorite questions. I can solve this by 2 methods, but I'll show you the shorter method. Okay. Okay, let it be. I will show you both the methods. If somebody doesn't know much theory, then also he or she should be able to solve. See what is given to be. R is a real number, then for which for which it satisfies this equation that GIF of R plus 19 by 100 plus GIF of R plus 20 by 100 plus GIF of R plus 21 by 100 and so on till GIF of R plus 91 by 100 is equal to 546. Okay, everyone? Huh? Now I need to find the value of GIF of 100R. Okay, hold on. Now here 546. Let us check how many brackets are there. Okay, 91 minus 18. There are 73 brackets. 73 GIF brackets. Okay. So now if all of them, and what are the inputs? Inputs increase by how much? Every time input will increase by 1 by 100. Okay. So if my R plus 19 by 100, if this is suppose this is equal to some N plus F. What can you say? R plus 20 by 100. It will be N plus F plus 1 upon 100. Correct? Follow? Now this may or maybe suppose so GIF is N, then here it could be N or at most N plus 1. Because if this fractionals get added, suppose my fractional is 99 by 100 here, and I'm adding 1 by 100, then this may club to give me 1. Followed? Okay, in that case, I'll get this GIF will become N plus 1. Otherwise, it will remain N. Right? Correct? Same thing is applicable for R plus 91 by 100. See, R plus 91 by 100 will be N plus F plus 91 by 100. Correct? And we know that F lies between 0 and 1. So F plus 91 by 100 will lie between 91 by 100 and it will be less than 2. Right? So it will never, GIF will never, so this will be less than N plus 2. So GIF will be never be N plus 2. Correct? So GIF of each bracket will be simply N or N plus 1. Is this much clear to everybody? Any doubt, anybody? Okay. Now, and we have 73 brackets. So let us analyze what is value of 546. So if I divide this by 73, I guess it becomes 73 sevens are plus 35. So if GIF would have been N, then all the brackets would have got value, same value. Then this sum must have divisible by 73, but it is not divisible by 73. That means what? That means I can assign 7 to all the brackets, but last 35 brackets must have got value plus 1 extra. Correct? Because these are greater brackets. Is this much clear to everybody? Any doubt, anybody here? Why last 35 brackets are getting 1 extra? Because my GIF of these brackets is either N plus 1 or N. Correct? Okay. So last 35 brackets will get 1 value extra. Therefore, what you will get that GIF of R. So these are 73 brackets. So 73 plus 34 gives me, sorry, 73 minus 35. Wait, my bad. 35 will become 38. Correct? So, yeah. So 19 plus 38, 57. Right? Yeah. So, yeah. So first 38 bracket, that is, yeah, till 56. So 19 by 100 is equal to R plus 20 by 100. and so on till r plus 56 by 100. Okay, we'll take value
Why is this
7.
the case?
Sorry.
And why is this the case?
Yeah, I'm explaining. Just give me a second. And r plus 57 by 100, so on till r plus 91 by 100. Okay, we'll take value 7 plus 1, that is 8. Okay, why this is the case? See, we have that GIF of this, all this bracket will range in n and n plus 1. Correct? Followed? Where n is 7 and n plus 1 is 8. So I know that GIF can be only 7 and 8. Right? Is this much clear to everybody? Okay. Can it happen that GIF of this is 7 and GIF of one of the smaller number is 8? Is it possible? No. Correct? So now what I have is I have this value. To match this value, I have 73 sevens are plus 35. So which I can write as 38 times 7 plus 35 times 8. So last 35 brackets must have GIF as 8. And first few brackets, which turns out to be 38 brackets, should have GIF 7. Is this clear? Any doubt, anybody? Who had doubt? Is this clear, beta? Okay. Now, so now once we set the limit, then it is very, very easy. Now, so r plus 56 by 100 must lie between 7 and 8. This is less than 8. Okay. And so we get that I can multiply by 100 and we'll get 100r plus 56 is less than 800, or 100r is less than 744. Whereas this is equal to 8 tells me that r plus 57 by 100, okay, must be greater than or equal to 8, correct? So that implies that 800 is less than or equal to 100r plus 57, or 100r is greater than or equal to 743. So we get 100r lies between 743 and 744. So that means these are, because these are consecutive integers, what we get is that GIF of 100r must be equal to 743. Correct? See, 100r need not be exact value 743. It may be equal to 743.8275 something blah blah blah. It's okay. But I know that it lies between strictly these two integers, then its GIF must be 740. Is this clear to everybody? Any doubt, anybody? Any doubt, anybody? Anybody has doubt, then I can clarify.
No, ma'am, but like, will we
Very
get like practice questions to try out later?
Sorry, come again.
Will we get any practice questions to try later, like in case we have doubts?
See, this is my very first lecture. I don't know how I can share a sheet with you.
Okay.
I will ask ma'am, how can I share? I can definitely give you practice questions.
Thanks, ma'am.
Definitely. But I will find out something. Okay. Yeah, sure. Now, yes, here I can show you one more method for this. Okay. See, yeah. See, you recollect I told you about Hermit identity. Okay. I purposely showed you the method without Hermit also, that you can solve without Hermit also. But with Hermit also you can solve it. Okay. If you can remember the Hermit identity, then I'll give you a method using Hermit identity how to solve. Okay. So let me do one thing. Let me take a screenshot of Hermit so that I'll save time of copying.
Ma'am, what is your source for these questions?
Sorry.
And what source are you using for these questions?
Beta, I'm teaching for international math Olympiad I was resource person at HBCS also. So various sources throughout so many years.
Okay.
Okay. I can't tell you a single source, but yeah, on AOPS now you have lots of questions. Usually my questions you will find mainly from Indian Olympiad, almost all questions, and plus various books and all that. So these are from my handouts, many, but I've tried to take mainly questions from AIME. Okay.
All right.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Yeah, so this is Hermit identity. So we'll use Hermit identity to solve this problem. Now you will note that in Hermit identity, it is GF of x plus 1 by n, GF of x 2 by n, GF of n minus 1 by n is nx, right? Here, unfortunately, I don't have that smooth this thing. This is a halfway series. So create what you want is another version. In mathematics, any problem solving, you just have to create what you want. I have this from 19 to 91, right? Okay. So here, what is missing? What I would love this from x, then x plus 1 by 100, so on. Okay. Till then this is given to me, x plus 19 by 100 is given to me, till 93 is given to me, I suppose. Let me just check once. Sorry, till 91 is 91 by 100 plus, then remaining extra terms I have, okay, till x plus 99 by 100 is equal to 100x. Now I need to find out this value 100x, GIF of 100x. So whatever I need to find is also given. So this is very tempting to use Hermit. Only problem to use Hermit is I don't know this part, neither I know this last part. Correct? I know only the, sorry, yeah, from 92 onwards, I don't know. I know the middle part. Middle part I need to find out. Correct? Middle part is given to me. Followed? Okay? This much is clear to everybody? Huh? Now we know that in the middle part, how many brackets are there? There are 73 brackets and value is 546, correct? So we know that GF of x plus 19 by 100 lies between 7 and all these GFs till, okay, this lies between 7 and 8, right? Correct? Now because these GIFs are less than these, so obviously these will take what value? These will have to take value 7, correct? Okay. So all these terms here will take value 7. Okay. Value will be 7 and how many terms you have here? Value is 7 and number of terms are how many? And number of terms less than 19. There will be 19 terms because we have started from 0, correct? Okay. So what is total value of this part? That will be 19 into 7 plus middle part. What was the value? Middle part value is 546 plus Last part, clearly, all these terms will have value greater than this. So it has to be 8, correct? And how many terms are here? From 92 to 99, there are 8 terms. So 8 8s will be equal to GIF of 100x. And if you calculate this turns out to be 743 is equal to GIF of 100. Is this clear to everybody? So if you know the extra identities, that is time saving and effort saving, definitely. Okay, but that doesn't mean in the exam, if you don't know identity, you can't solve it. Is that clear? Any doubt, anybody? Okay, now here. Real numbers x and y are chosen independently and uniformly at random from interval 0 to 1. What is probability that log x to the base 2, log y to the base 2 denotes the greatest is equal to log y to the base 2, where r denotes the greatest integer less than or equal to real number r. Okay. Everybody is comfortable with probability? Is there anybody who's not comfortable? Sorry?
I'm not very comfortable with probability.
Okay, very. Yeah. Now here, what I will do is, because we have two variables and we have to compare between the probabilities, by both the variable lie in this interval, so I'll take help of the area. Okay, 0 to 1. So consider a square. Okay, followed on x-axis, y-axis. So my numbers will fall into, my x and y will fall into this area. Okay. Now I need to figure out the values that actually are satisfying my condition. Okay. Okay. So my feasible region I need to figure out. Okay. So what is my feasible region? Okay. What do you mean by log x to the base 2? Its GIF is equal to log y to the base 2, its GIF, which is equal to k. Suppose, then what is this? That will be log x to the base 2 is k. Okay. And log y to the base 2 is also k. Sorry. Sorry, my bad. This is GIF. Sorry, my bad. Sorry. This GIF. So it will lie between k and k plus 1, both of them. Lie between k and k plus 1. What do you mean by that? That means x and y both will lie between 2 raised to k and 2 raised to k. They will be strictly between these values. Right? Okay. Followed? Okay. But x and y lie between 0 and 1. So obviously k has to be negative. These will be negative powers. Okay. So what are possibilities? Possibilities are that both lie between half. Okay. First possible power will be between 1 and half. Suppose x and y both will lie between half and 1. Okay, half inclusive, 1 not inclusive. Okay, followed. Then both of them, is 0 allowed. 0 is not allowed. So I can't take it 0. Okay. So power x and y cannot be 2 raised to 0. Okay, followed. Yeah. Okay. So 1 is not allowed. Adesh, your mic is on.
So sorry, ma'am.
Yeah. Now here, yeah. So between half and 1. Okay, so they will lie between half and 1. So if you consider the area, okay, because x and y both will lie between half and 1. So I'll get this area, correct? Then they will lie between second range of values, which is 1/4 and half, correct? Okay. So I will get this area, okay, like that. So I will get an infinite series, okay, like this, okay. So how to find out? So here, what will be area of this feasible region? It will be 1 by 4. Here, what will be area? This will be 1 by 4 square. And then, can you see gradually area will go on geometrically decreasing, and it will be a GP. So my probability will be 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 square plus 1 by 4 cube and so on. So it will be what? It is a GP. Okay, first term 1 by 4 and common difference, common ratio is 1 by 4. Correct? So what is the answer? Everybody know sum of the GP? Huh? Huh? Okay, I hope you know sum of the GP. Or you doesn't know? Huh? Please respond. Huh? Okay. So 1/3 is the answer here. Any doubt, anybody here? Huh? Any doubt, please respond.
Ma'am, can you explain why you chose to use area as the approach?
Yeah, because we have two variables, beta.
Okay,
See,
ma'am.
of course, this can, mine. Yeah, this can be done using some other method also, but this is the easiest method, beta. Here, I intend to show you the easiest method. Huh?
Alright.
See, if it is one variable, you can do on the number line. If it is two variable area, usually this is one of the tricks. I won't say this trick will work each and every time. These are heuristic. Like sometimes a probability can be done using geometrically area. Interpreting goes faster. Huh?
Alright.
Okay. Now I have exposed you to this problem, so you will be able to think this way. Huh? Okay. Huh?
All
Okay.
right.
Yeah. Now, very important question for me. How much is the level of this class? How many of you want me to reduce the level of the class? And please respond. And how many of you want me to increase the level of the class? Sorry? Is somebody talking to me?
Yes, what is it? I'll go and get her.
We can't. I can't hear you clearly. Sorry. Come again.
Yeah, ma'am. Could you reduce?
I should reduce the level. No problem. Next time onwards, I'll reduce the level. Okay. And if you want any topic which is your needed most, please share. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Sure.
Okay.
Please share it with me. Okay. Such topics. Okay. 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 Please share with me such topics. Okay. So I can I will be in a position to better help. Okay. Followed? Is that clear? Okay. Please, no. It should be a tailor-made course because it's a competition. Okay. Yeah. That can be shared by Reshma ma'am. I will ask Reshma ma'am to share it. Okay. The syllabus, the topic, and everything. She admin people will share. Okay. Some people want me to keep the level high. What we can do is initially I'll share all problems at the beginning of the lecture, and then I go on discussing the problems. So those who have high level, those who want high level, for example, this is a very nice problem, but I didn't get chance to do it. Or I wanted to do some more good problems like this. I've chalked out some nice problems. Okay. But then you can probably take screenshots of these problems and you can take it for homework. So initially only I'll show you all the problems. Okay. And then those who are good students can start solving, so your time is not wasted. I hate to waste time of anybody. So we can optimize our 1 hour that way. Okay. Followed? Please take screenshots. Okay. So wish you all the best. I hope okay, this was a good lecture for you. And I'll stop here. Any doubt?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Sorry, come again.
Ma'am, could you in the next session maybe take up a few more questions which are IOQ and 5-marker level? I think that would be really helpful for us students in our preparation.
IOQM. Are you saying IOQM?
Yes, ma'am. 5 markers,
IOQM.
5 markers specifically.
IOQM means pre or remo?
Yes, ma'am. But for the past few years, they've been terming it as IOQ.
Yeah. But
Pre-RMO.
this is
Even the RMO question specifically, not pre-RMO. So
I can teach you even INMO and TST questions also, but this is for AMC beta.
Yes, ma'am. I'm aware, but the level of the questions in
Yes,
RMO
exactly.
exam.
Yes,
I was
I'm
just
aware.
saying that.
Yeah, exactly. That is the reason why there are so many pre-RMO questions.
Yes, ma'am. That was just my request.
No problem, beta. I'll do that. That is what I've picked up good questions for all this from all the sources. Don't worry. I'll do that. Okay. No problem. And if you want specifically, if you are preparing for this, then you can write me. I can share the other resources. Okay. Okay. So any other doubt, anything, or may I stop here?
Ma'am, would it be possible to take out problems in counting, ma'am? Counting and combinatorial.
Yes. Of course, Combi we are going to do. First lecture, I thought I don't know the level of the students, so taking Combi would be a bad idea. Algebra, everybody is comfortable more or less. So I will be covering all 4 areas: geometry, Combi, NT, and algebra. But equal weightage to all 4 I'm trying to give. And among that, should I focus on last 5 problems more? That is okay, na? I will not, because first, say 10-15 problems are comparatively easier. So I will not focus on that. I'll focus on tougher problems. I hope it is okay with you people.
All right.
Yeah, that's great. Okay. So wonderful class. Thank you so much. Okay. So I'll stop.
Thank you.
Welcome.